Hi everyone, good morning. Today is our last day here in Tekri, and today we had two main plans. First one was to go for a boat ride inside the forest reserves of Tekri. And as you can see, I look super sleepy here. That's because we slept late at night, and in the morning we had to wake up at around 4:45 to get ready and come here so that we get the ticket, as it was like a first come first serve basis. So luckily, after standing in line for almost 30 to 40 minutes, we got the ticket. As soon as the bus reached the gate, we all ran. Okay, Alan sprinted. मेरा जाम है रुका नहीं
चलो फोटो निकाल लीजिए
मम्मी आंटी आंटी कहीं
ഫോട്ടോ താഴെ പോയിരിക്കണം കേട്ടോ
आगे पीछे क्यों घूम रहे हैं ऐसा ഈ ആനയുടെ പേരെന്താ हमारे लटक जाएगा मेरा ऐसा
मेहनत रहेगा ना आना रहने का
इसके दो
उसे दुखेगा नहीं क्या रहता
രണ്ടും കൂടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു കൊടുത്ത് ഞാൻ സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്തിട്ട്